Let's have a look about the country of the Caribbean region like Saint Lucia. Saint Lucia is the country of the Caribbean region. Castries is the capital of the Saint Lucia. Saint Lucia covers an area of 670 square kilometers. Unitary parliamentary constitutional monarchy has been practiced in the country like Saint Lucia. About 180,000 people live in the country like Saint Lucia. Eastern Caribbean dollar is the currency of Saint Lucia. Christianity is the main religion in the country of Saint Lucia. Even to the flashback here, English is the official language of Saint Lucia. So Saint Lucia has a long history of this colonization here. Christopher Columbus came to Saint Lucia in 1502. With the passage of time, British explorers came to Saint Lucia in 18th centuries, and others European explorers came also in 18th and 19th centuries years. But at the course of time here, Saint Lucia got independence from the Great Britain or United Kingdom, dated on 22 February in 1979. The people of the Saint Lucia depend on agricultural works, especially sugar canes and other food productions and other agricultural works there. It is the country of the miracle nature and the finest beauty. So thank you very much for watching my videos.